day. It's another beautiful day here in Athens. For the past 3 days or so, it's been completely nothing but sunshine for the past 3 days. But when I first arrived here, like, it was raining, gloomy, but the weather's kind of picked up, and now it is really hot and warm, insanely warm. But yeah, now I'm just walking past the, I think, museum or university, not too sure. Like, everything I'm doing, I'm just gonna be writing it down in the description box. Lack of research. But yeah, the shopping center I'm gonna go to is just past the Parliament's building or President's building. Yeah, I will show you. I'm just gonna walk down to it now. So tricky. This road here where I'm walking on is really smooth, and I came a couple of nights ago during the night, and it was actually water in it, and if you're not careful you can actually slip and fall. I think it's marble, I don't know what it is, what type of surface it is, but it is really smooth. And this area here, like, it is really clean as well. Like, there's no pigeon dump anywhere. Like, it is really clean. So where I'm going now is just to the main shopping area, and right behind me I think that's the presidential building or the Parliament's building. And just as you walk down, there's a massive shopping area there, so I'm just going to walk down there and just show you around it. It's really nice. So as you can see in this street here, it pretty much has every single store you can think of. Like, there's some stores that I've not seen for 7 months now. Like Zara, H&M. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've seen it. But here, you saw they have the Nike store, Puma, Interdirect. I think Interdirect in the UK is called Sports Direct. I don't know why the two different names, but yeah. And the street here is so peaceful as well, so chilled. Maybe because it's early in the morning, it's around 10:30 in the morning, so maybe later on, like, it gets a bit busier and it gets a bit more chaotic. But for right now, it just feels like so chilled and so simple. Everyone just having a little stroll in the morning. And what I found so cool about this street is what's behind me. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but right behind me is the Acropolis. So as you're doing your shopping, like, imagine the scenery as you're just doing your shopping and or having tea or coffee. People see right behind me, there's a bunch of cats behind me as well, and you're just viewing onto the Acropolis. My pronunciation is so bad. I'm still learning, so bear with me. I mean, check this out. Right behind me, the Acropolis, and this massive open space as well. And there's a church, cathedral. Oh, it's a church right behind me. Yeah, this space is like so cool. And coming here at night as well, like, especially in the hot summer's days like this, like if you come here during the night time or in the evening, like, it is so peaceful, so chilled and relaxed. It's not like back in London where if you had a stressful long day at work, all you can do, just go home and sleep it off until the next morning. But here I feel like if you had a stressful day, you can just have a little stroll during the evening time, because it's still really hot in the evening time, and just enjoy the view and have a coffee, have a drink. Yeah, it is really nice. It's a nice city here. The vibe here is just so chilled. It's not like rushing and hustle and bustle, people trying to sell this and that. It's just chilled. As I was walking down, I came across 3 African refugees. I think 2 of them are from Ghana and 1 of them is from Nigeria, and they were giving away bracelets to people that's walking by. The bracelet is just an invitation for them tonight at around 8 or 7:30. I think 7:30 and 8 they're having a little African band playing here in the middle of the square. So the bracelet just means like an invitation for you to come through, and they try to give it to you. Obviously, you know, if you take it and you wear it, you have to pay up as well. Nothing's for free here. But yeah, they just hustling in a bad way, and just hustle, I suppose, just trying to make a living in a foreign country. That's what it is really. But maybe later on tonight I'll come here and check out the band, see how it is. So I feel like here is the perfect place to end the vlog. This vlog is proper spontaneous. There was no nothing behind it. There was no storylines. There was nothing like that. But I just want to show you just the everyday life here in Athens, the shopping area, shopping center, what type of stores they have here, and as well, and just show you how the street look as well. Like, you see the buses, you see the streets. You see a few of the hustlers on the touristy side of town, where they're trying to persuade you to get the bracelets and stuff like that. So fair play to them. They're just doing what they can to survive, I suppose. That's what it is. But yeah, this is just a little quick spontaneous video of just here in Athens, because I'm only here for a short time. So just thought, while I'm here, I must just make the most of it instead of just staying at home and sleeping in my hotel. Even though like it's really hard, I don't really have clothes for this type of weather, but yeah, it's pretty decent just to go out and about, just to capture some moments of Athens. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed a little bit of it. But yeah, it's just really spontaneous, as I keep saying. So for now, I'm just going to end it here and see you on the next video. And no idea what the next one's going to be about, but hopefully I do find something to capture. So see you on the next one. So bye bye from me here in Athens, Greece.
I've been